Okay, big news that's coming in right now. Tamil Nadu BJP chief K. Annamalai has now received a phone call to be a part of the Union Council of Ministers. This is big news that's coming in right now. A big validation for Annamalai and his team that in fact worked on the ground in Tamil Nadu in order to help BJP grow its footprint in the state of Tamil Nadu. Annamalai contested the election from Coimbatore. He was not successful, so it's likely that he will be sent to Rajya Sabha. He has to be elected from either house, in fact, or in before a 6-month period, so that, of course, he can continue to be part of the Union Council of Ministers. So big news coming in right now. Aishwarya, my colleague, is joining us for more on this. Aishwarya, a big validation for K. Annamalai and the BJP's growing footprint in Tamil Nadu, which they possibly want to enlarge as well. This is symbolic, bringing K. Annamalai to Delhi.
Well, definitely it is, a big step for BJP and also for K. Annamalai, because one thing is for sure, Pauline, anyone who's followed the elections understands how hard K. Annamalai has actually worked in the state of Tamil Nadu. And this is something that the Bharatiya Janata Party time and again has been speaking about, that he actually made sure that the BJP becomes a force to reckon with. The results were not what the Bharatiya Janata Party were expecting, but definitely, this is a nod to the way in which Annamalai fought, and they believe that keeping him in the center will actually be an ode and also will pave way for Bharatiya Janata Party's increasing footprint in years to come in the state of Tamil Nadu.
Right. Aishwarya there reporting on all those developments. So all of these leaders are going to head shortly to the Prime Minister's residence. But this is big news coming in. K. Annamalai lost the Lok Sabha election from the Coimbatore seat. He was on a BJP ticket. He lost to the DMK. But this is how the Prime Minister continues to repose his faith in K. Annamalai by bringing him to Delhi. So Tamil Nadu is getting representation in the Union Council of Ministers, with K. Annamalai joining the Union Council. A big message being sent out by BJP to the voters of Tamil Nadu. Remember, the BJP may not have won a seat in Tamil Nadu, but clearly their vote share has grown, and this is the recognition that BJP has given its state chief by bringing him to Delhi to join the Union Council of Ministers.